In a quaint corner of the bustling city, lived a young artist named Luna. Her enchanting ability to captivate the hearts of everyone she met was no less than a secret spell. The townspeople whispered tales of her mysterious allure that could charm even the most reserved souls in a mere 90 seconds. As intrigued souls gathered around a crackling bonfire one evening, an old storyteller began to reveal the 6 secrets behind Luna's captivating prowess. Chapter 1: The Gaze of Cosmic Connection. Luna possessed eyes that held the universe within them. When she met someone's gaze, it wasn't just a fleeting interaction, it was a cosmic connection. She looked beyond the surface, delving into their dreams and fears. Her eyes spoke a language of empathy that touched hearts, forging an unbreakable bond. Chapter 2: The melody of authentic laughter. Laughter echoed through the streets whenever Luna was near. Her laughter was like the gentle rustling of leaves in a hidden forest. It wasn't a rehearsed giggle, but an authentic melody that resonated with the joy in everyone's hearts. In those 90 seconds, she could make even the most serious faces break into smiles, casting away their worries. Chapter 3: The Elegance of Curious Listening. Luna had an uncanny ability to listen. When someone spoke, she wasn't just hearing words, she was absorbing their stories, their dreams, their deepest desires. Her genuine curiosity painted a canvas where every word mattered. In that short span of time, she made people feel heard, understood, and valued. Chapter 4: The Warmth of Kind Compliments. Kindness flowed from Luna like a gentle river. She saw the beauty in everyone and wasn't afraid to vocalize it. Her compliments weren't mere flattery, they were heartfelt affirmations that uplifted spirits. In those 90 seconds, she made people realize their worth, kindling a spark of self-confidence. Chapter 5: The Dance of Shared Vulnerability. Luna was a master of vulnerability. She shared her stories, her fears, and her dreams, opening doors for others to do the same. In that brief encounter, she created a safe haven where people could shed their masks and reveal their true selves without judgment. This dance of shared vulnerability forged connections stronger than years of casual interactions. Chapter 6: The Art of Present Connection. When Luna was with someone, she was entirely with them. Her undivided attention was a gift she bestowed upon them. In those 90 seconds, she created a bubble where time seemed to slow, where the world around faded, and the only thing that mattered was the present moment. As the storyteller finished unveiling these secrets, the crowd sat in awe, understanding the essence of Luna's charm. She wasn't weaving spells or tricks, she was embracing humanity with authenticity, empathy, and genuine connection. And so, the tales of Luna's captivating ability continued to spread, not as a secret to manipulate, but as a reminder of the power of authentic human connection, a power that anyone could embrace to weave their own tales of enchantment in the tapestry of life. Note, this story is a work of fiction and created for illustrative purposes. The mentioned secrets are based on positive attributes that can help create meaningful connections rather than manipulative tactics.